Hi everyone, this is Imran Bhagwan. In today's lecture, we will study about elimination method to solve the linear equation in two variable, Maharashtra board, standard 9 as well as standard 10th. In previous lecture only I had explained you that linear equation in two variable. This lesson is for both 9 standard as well as for 10 standard. So first of all, in this lecture we will see the answers of previous lecture questions. After that, what is the solution of linear equation and elimination method for solving the simultaneous equation. Now, I had given you question that write the value of a, b and c for given linear equation, and I had given you 4 questions for homework. So what are the answers of that questions? So before showing you answers, I want all of you please stop the video and take pen and paper with you so you can check your answers, and simultaneously you can solve the equations with me. So this practice will make you perfect. So answers are, in previous lecture only I had explained how to solve this type of questions. So we will not give more time for this. You just check your answers. Now what is the solution of linear equation? The value of variables which satisfied the given equation is called solution of equation. It means the value of variable when we will put that value of variable in the equation at the place of variable, then the left side of equation and right side of equation will become equal. So such a value of variable is called solution of the given equation. For example, we have the equation x plus y equal to 10. If we took value of x 5 and value of y is also 5, so x and y both are equal to 5, so 5 are the values of variable. When we will substitute the value of variable in the equation, so our equation is x plus y equal to 10. After putting the value, it will become 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Means at the place of x and y we have written its values. So 5 plus 5 will become 10 equal to 10. It means left side and right side of equation become equal. So after putting the value of variable, left side and right side of right side of equation become equal. So such a value of variable is called solution of given equation. If you consider the same equation again, x plus y equal to 10, so more than one possible solution may be for the same equation. For example, if we took value of x 2, then what should be the value of y? Means the value of y will be 8. Means 2 plus 8 will become 10. 10 equal to 10. Again left side and right side of equation become equal. So 5 comma 5, it means 5 value of x and 5 it is also value of y. So 5 comma 5 and 2 comma 8 both are the solution for given equation. If you take another equation, that is x plus y equal to 12, so can 5 comma 5, it may be solution for given equation x plus y equal to 12. Can it be solution for x plus y equal to 12? When you will write the value 5 comma 5, x plus y, it will become 10, and 10 it is not equal to 12. So 5 comma 5, it is only solution for first equation, it is not the solution for second equation. So my question is that can two different equation can have a same or common solution? Means 5 comma 5 can be a solution for equation number 1, or it can a solution for equation number 2, or two different equation can contain a same or common solution. So answer is yes. So in this lecture we will study, or we will learn how to find the common solution for two different equations. So there are various methods for solving the simultaneous equation. For example, elimination method, graphical method, Cramer's rule, also substitution method is also there. But in today's lecture, we will study about elimination method to solve the simultaneous equation. So elimination method for solving simultaneous equation. Before starting, you should know the meaning of simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equation means when we think about two linear equation in two variable at the same time, they are called simultaneous equation. Means when we solve two linear equations simultaneously together and we find one common solution for both the equations, then that two linear equation is called simultaneous equation. So for solving simultaneous equation, you have to keep some steps in your mind. And the first step is give number to the equation. First of all, you have to give number to both the equations. After giving the numbers, make coefficient of any one variable same. Linear equation in two variable, so one equation contain two variables, so you have to make coefficient of any one variable same. After that, we will do addition or subtraction. So we are learning a elimination method. So in elimination method we do addition or subtraction. For eliminating the variable, we eliminate one variable and we find the value of second variable. After getting the value of second variable, we put that value of variable in again equation number 1 or equation number 2 to get the value of first variable. So by doing addition or subtraction, we can eliminate one variable. But what we will do, what to do addition or subtraction, it is depend on the sign of the variable. If the variable to which we are going to eliminate, if it contain opposite signs, means in equation number 1 x is positive, in equation number 2 x is negative. Two opposite sign are there for same variable which contain the same coefficient, then we will do addition. And if the variable contains same sign, for example in equation number 1 also x is plus and equation number 2 also x is plus, so it contains same sign, at that time we will do subtraction. After doing addition or subtraction, we will get the value of one variable. So place the value of variable in any one equation. We had two equations, so in any one equation we can place the value of variable. After putting the value of variable in one equation, we will get the value of second variable, and that's all. So you have to remember that 5 steps and you can solve simultaneous equation very easily. So question number 1 is that solve the following simultaneous equation. First question is 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and a plus 5b equal to 22. So how to solve this question? Yes, first step is first you have to give the number to the equation. That is the first step of solution. So write both the equations, give number to the equations, that is 3a plus 5b equal to 26 is equation number 1 and a plus 5b equal to 22, it is equation number 2. What is the second step after giving the numbers to the equation? Second step is that you have to make the coefficient of any one variable same. If you will observe the equations, the first variable is a and second variable is b. So in the question, first variable in equation number 1, coefficient of a is 3 and in second equation coefficient of a is 1. Okay, and coefficient of b is 5. In second equation also coefficient of b is 5. Means already coefficient of one variable, that is b, is same in both the equation. So second step, you don't have to do anything because already coefficient of one variable, that is b, is same in both the equation. In equation number 1 also, in equation number 2 also, coefficient of b is 5. What is the third step now? You have to do addition or subtraction. So what will you do? Addition or subtraction? So I told you before only, addition, if the addition, when you will do the addition, if the sign of the variable is different, opposite sign addition, same sign subtraction. So 5b in equation number 1 is also, it is positive. In equation number 2 also 5b is positive. So same sign, so you have to do subtraction. So subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. Write both the equations. 3a plus 5b equal to 26, a plus 5b equal to 22. There is one rule of subtraction. Whenever you will do the subtraction, then the equation which is written below, that is a plus 5b equal to 22, sign of that equation will be changed. It means a is positive, then it will become negative. 5b is also positive, so it will also become negative. 22 is also positive, so it will also become negative. Keep in mind, always whenever you will do the subtraction, the equation which is written below, sign of that equation will be changed. If it is negative, it will become positive. If it is positive, it will become negative. So 5b minus 5b, it will get cancelled, because 5b minus 5b, it will become 0, so it will get cancelled. 3a minus a, 3a minus 1a, it will become 2a, and 26 minus 22, it will become 4. So 2a equal to 4. So a is in multiplication with 2. So when 2 will go to right side, it will go with 4. So 2 and 2 to the 4. So value of a we got here 2. Put it in. Now we got the value of one variable. We have reached up to the step number 3. What you will do after getting the value of one variable? There are two variables in the equation, a and b. We got value of one variable a. Now we have to find the value of second variable, that is b. So we will put the value of a in any one equation, either equation number 1 or in equation number 2. But always prefer that equation which is more simple. So equation number 2 is more simple than equation number 1. So we will place the value of a in equation number 2. So right, place a equal to 2 in equation number 2. So what is our equation number 2? Equation number 2 is a plus 5b equal to 22. So at the place of a, you have to write the value of a, that is 2. At the place of a, I have written its value. 2 plus a plus 5b equal to 22 will become 2 plus 5b equal to 22. Now we have to find the value of b. So only b will remain at left side, remaining all the numbers, that is 2 and 5, will go to the right side one by one. So 2, it is in plus with 5b, when it will go to the right side. So 5b equal to 22 minus 2. Again 22 minus 2 will become 20, 5b equal to 20, and now b will go to right, 5 will go to right side. So 5 is in multiplication with b, when it will go to right side, it will go in 20. So we will get the value 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now we got the value of both variable a as well as b. So a comma b equal to 2 comma 4 is the solution of given linear equations. So a comma b, that is 2 comma 4. This solution is the common solution for both equation number 1 also, equation number 2 also. Question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equation: x plus y equal to 4, 2x minus 5y equal to 1. Now how to solve the question? Again that 5 steps. What is the first step? you have to give the numbers to the equation. So write both the equations and give it to the numbers. Equation number 1, x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 2, 2x minus 5y equal to 1. That is equation number 2. Now, what is the second step? After giving numbers to the equation, we have to make coefficient of any one variable same. So if you will observe equation number 1 and equation number 2, the coefficient of x, what is the coefficient of x in equation number 1? Means what is written before x? Nothing is written. Means equation of coefficient of x is 1. And equation number 2, what is written with x? 2 is written. So 2 is the coefficient of x. Always keep in mind when there is nothing written with variable, it means coefficient of that variable is 1. Okay, so in second variable, equation number 1, coefficient of y is also 1, but in second equation coefficient of y is minus 5. So in both the equation, coefficient of any one variable is not same. So we have to do step number 2, that we will make the coefficient of any one variable same. So we will make the coefficient of x same. So in equation number 1 x, equation number 2 it is 2x. So we have to multiply equation number 1 by 2 in order to make x 2x. So what is the multiply equation number 1 by 2? So write first equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x plus y equal to 4. So we have to make x, we have to convert x into 2x. So how we will convert it into 2x? By multiplying it 2. So write 2. When we will multiply the equation by 2, so 2 into x will become 2x. Similarly, 2 into y will become 2y, and 2 into 4 it will become 8. Give number to that equation, that is now it is equation number 3. So we have converted equation number 1 into equation number 3. So we don't have to consider equation number 1 now. We will just solve equation number 2 and equation number 3. If you will observe, in equation number 2 and equation number 3, now we made the coefficient of x same. In equation number 2 also 2x is there, in equation number 3 also 2x is there. Means in both the equation coefficient of x is same. So we have completed our step number 2, that is make coefficient of any one variable same. After making the coefficient of any one variable same, next step is addition or subtraction. So addition or subtraction depends on the sign of the variable. The variable which contains same coefficient, if it is contain opposite sign, then we will do subtraction. If it contain same sign, then we will do opposite sign addition, and same sign subtraction. So in both the equation 2x and 2x it is positive, it means it is same sign, then we will do subtraction. So subtract equation number 3 from equation number 2. So write equation number 3 and equation number 2. Now you have to do the subtraction. Now what is the rule of subtraction? In previous question I told you that. What is the rule of subtraction? Yes, the equation which is written below, sign of that equation will be changed. That is plus 2x will become minus 2x, plus 2y will become minus 2y, and plus 8 will become minus 8. So 2x minus 2x it will get cancelled, and minus 5y minus 2y, minus minus plus it become minus 7y, and 1 minus 8 it became minus 7. So minus 7y equal to minus 7. Now we have to find the value of y. So minus 7 will go to right side of the equal. So minus 7 it is in multiplication with y. When it will go to right side, it will divide with minus 7. So minus 7 divide by minus 7, we will get the value of y 1. Okay, we have completed our step number 3. After doing addition or subtraction, we will get the value of one variable. So we got the value of one variable y, that is 1. Now we have to find the value of second variable, that is x. So how to find the value of second variable? Yes, we have to put the value of y in equation number 1, 2 or 3. You can choose any one equation, but I told you before only, always prefer that equation which is more simple. So if you will observe all three equation number 1, 2 and 3. So equation number 1 is more simple as compared to 2 and 3. So place value of y, that is place y equal to 1 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x plus y equal to 4. To write 1 at the place of y, it will become x plus 1 equal to 4. When 1 will go to right side, it will become x equal to 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we got the value of both variable x as well as y. So x comma y equal to 1 comma 3 is the solution of given equations. That is the common solution for both the equations. Now questions for practice, that is assignment and homework for you. Solve the following simultaneous equation. First equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 9, 2x plus y equal to 13, that is question number 1. And question number 2, 5m minus 3n equal to 19, m minus 6n equal to minus 7. You have to solve these two questions in your homework book. Thank you.